Ultimate Guitar is one of the largest communities for tabs and chords, hosting thousands of user-submitted versions of nearly every song. Songsterr takes a different approach, one version per song, cleaner interface, and tab playback that helps you hear how it should sound. If we talk about the strengths and trade-offs, UG's advantage is sheer volume and community edits, but quality varies since many are user-submitted. Songster's advantage is consistency. Fewer versions, often cleaner, and the visual player helps with timing. If we talk about user feedback on Reddit, guitarists say Songster is much easier to use than Ultimate Guitar, though accuracy isn't perfect. On Trustpilot, Ultimate Guitar has lots of billing complaints and cancellation issues, while Songster reviews are more mixed, averaging around 3.5 out of 5 stars. For the final verdict, if you want breadth and community options, go with Ultimate Guitar. If you want accuracy, clean tabs, and playback, Songster is the simpler choice.